Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. So tie the hairs and then fold it upward and fix it using the clips. Now divide the hairs into 3 parts and fix it inside the small section of the clips like this on the alternative sides. Now tie the hairs on the top and then roll it down and fix it using the bun pins like this, and your hairstyle is ready. Next, you have to tie the ponytail, roll it upward and fix it using the hair clip or the bun pins like this, and then tie it on the top and fold it down. Fix it using the hairpins like this and it's ready. Next, tie the hair and make a ponytail. Now fix it in the half like this by tying a rubber band. Divide it from the between, rotate the hairs and fold it upward like this. Fix it from the sides, fold it and tie it like this. Put the hair clutch over it and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, you have to tie the hairs and make a ponytail. Now divide the hairs, roll them together like this and then fold it upward and make a bun. Fix it properly, put it tightly and fix the hairs to make a bun. Now put this hair bun clutch like this and it's ready. Next, we'll be tying a ponytail. Now roll the hairs upward and fix it using this bun pin on the right side. Now tie the hairs on the top and then roll it down and fix it using the hairpins like this, and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, tie the ponytail. Now take this bun clutch and then or bun making tool, roll the hairs upward and then fold it from the side. Spread it like this and put the bun pin on the downside, and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, you have to put this hair clip on the hairs. Now roll the hairs like this and fix it inside the clips. Now take the hairs from the sides again and put them in the small sections inside the clips. Now join the hairs together and it's ready. Next, we have to take the hairs from the sides and then put it on the back. Now put the hair clutch. Now we will tie all the hairs together, divide it from the between and then fold it upward and fix it after folding and put a clutch, and it's ready. Next, you have to tie the hairs and make a ponytail. Now fix the hair foam like this and then spread the hairs. After that, put the rubber band, spread the hairs from the sides like this. Again, divide it from the between and rotate it. Now fold it upward and fix it over the bun. Spread it from the sides. Put the hair clutch if you want, otherwise it's ready. Next, you have to tie the ponytail and then rotate it. After rotating the hairs, tie the hairs from the down section and then fix it inside the hair clutch. Put the hair clutch over the hairs and your bun is almost ready. I hope you liked it. Next, tie the ponytail, rotate the hairs like this and fix it after rotating it. Now tie the hairs from the downside from the between, fold it upward and fix it like this. Put the bun pins like this and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, tie the ponytail. Now fix this bun stick. Now roll the hairs around it and then fold it like this. Tie it using a rubber band, fix it by folding the hairs and put the clutch from the side, and it's ready. Next, you have to tie the hairs from the between, roll it upward and fix it using the hair clips like this. Now roll the hairs, fix it inside the clips one by one, tie it from the top and then tie the hairs together, roll it down and fix it using the bun pin, and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, you have to tie the hairs. Now fix this bun clutch, roll the hairs along it and fix it on the top, and your bun is ready. Thanks for watching our video.